Hi, this is Primoz Lazar here, and that's my success principle for today. Learn as if you are going to live forever. Always do something that will push you step forward and will give you an options to manifest in the second day, third day, and next month. So always keep investing in your recent moment, because everything that you do today will give you the ground floor for your future. Design your future as you would like to live it forever. So love your life and live the life that you will love, that you love. Help people around you. Balance the things that are making you happy. It's your life, it's your duty that you stay responsible for everything that you do, everything that comes to your life. Deal with it as it's your fortune. Deal with it as it's your responsibility, obligation, and duty that you can take this and take it to the next level, because everything that will happen to you, the success is your duty, obligation, and you need to keep it that way, because when you will back off, when you will become angry, when you will become upset, when you will not stay patient, things will come over you and the life will break down, okay? So keep this word for today and live the life you love forever.